That's unbelievable, unmatched. I never experienced this type of work for this type of procedure. The two procedures were nothing compared to what he did in just one procedure. Literally 4 or 5 procedures, and still not even match this one procedure. He feels positive for himself too, because he wants to make other people happy as well too. I highly recommend it. Even if you're out of town, out of state, out of the country, you go to a guy who knows what he's doing. You get the results here at Dr. Bolton.